Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of just me. This time Mavis isn't even going to be in this video, I don't think. Although you might spot a couple of other animals because I thought today I would entertain you by introducing you to most of our farm animals. I know, kind of lame content, but it's better than nothing maybe, right? Anyway, I'm going to walk around the farm and take you with me and introduce some of the critters. So, I hope you enjoy. Bye. So we have some new additions to our farm. We just got these guys yesterday, so this is kind of fun. There they are, aren't they cute? Little baby chickies and 5 little turkeys. Hi guys. The first step to going over and doing the boar goats is to get their milk ready for the 2 little sorta bottle babies. We just supplement them. They actually nurse off their mom too, but she had triplets, so we give 2 of them milk. Coughing, all done?
Done way before her sister.
I know, right? She actually did pretty good today, though. She kept up pretty good. All right, good job. Good job, babies. Yes. Hi. Hi. Look at you, so cute. That's Match. That's the one Dakota probably wants to keep this year.
She's my baby.
She's your baby. There's Ari. She's old. There's Posy. Posy! There she is. That's the show goat. And then that one over there is Boodle. Boodle! These are our current 2 beef animals. We'll be getting, I think, 5 more here in the next couple weeks. But these are ones that we wintered over from last year. Hi! That's a Hereford heifer. And then this one is the calf from my dairy cow. Let's see, not last year, but the year before. His name's Pilgrim, and he was born on Thanksgiving of 2018. This is Striker, our boar buck. He's the dad of all the babies you saw. These guys don't have a name yet. We'll name them when they have their first litter. But they're 2 females. You've been fed, liar. You're both liars. This is Bumble, and these are her piggies. Some scapies that have gotten out with her, and some that are still stuck inside. This is Poppy, and she just weaned a litter, so she's back in with her handsome boyfriend over there, who's not so handsome. Hi, Poppy! Hi, Poppy! What a good girl. Really? Really? You're gonna let me pet you? Yeah, I thought so. Good girl. This is Rose. And that's Daisy.
Where's Daisy?
Sometimes they'll play together.
Daisy.
Daisy's doing what she does best.
Yeah, Daisy.
Hunting for gophers and stuff.
Yes. That big pointy nose, it doesn't go to you.
Right?
The other day I came over, she had her head stuffed into the plywood. A little hole in the plywood, she had her entire head stuffed in there. Leave me alone, I'm eating.
What do you, no, not up here. Rosie.
This way.
You eating breakfast? This is Jelly Bean, our Guernsey cow. She provides our family with about, I don't know, right now, 2.5 gallons to 3 gallons of milk a day. We only milk her once a day. She would give more if we milked her more often, but I don't need more, so I don't.
How much does she get when she's at her peak?
Yeah, when she first has a baby, she gives 9 gallons a day, which is way too much. Don't need that much milk. So I just found out yesterday that her blood test that we had done confirms that she's pregnant. So yay! Yay, you're gonna have another baby. Which means pretty soon I can dry her off and let her have a nice rest and just be a cow. Not have to come in and get milked all the time. This is our farm cat, Tabby. Hi, Tabby. We just saw him over in the orchard hunting mice. Huh. Did you catch one? Oh, see it hanging out of your mouth. And these are my chickens. Well, some of my chickens. We have more chickens down in another pen too. Hi, everybody. They're very, very timid, as you can see. So we have a dilemma. These little tiny Bantam chickens are laying these eggs, which are really pretty. I can't sell them. They're too small. But we're wondering who's laying these blue ones, these green ones. We don't know which hen is doing it. I don't know if you can see it. It's too bright out here. You can see the difference in the color there. Thanks for walking around with me today. Hope you had fun. Bye. So I was up about to feed my cow, and as I get up there, I think, wait a minute, is there something moving right there? And right in front of her feed tub, eating some of the scrap feed, was this guy. This is a regular old possum, but I just wanted to show you, apparently somewhere he'd gotten stuck in maybe a snap trap or something, you know, like a leg trap. We don't use those on our farm. So I don't know what happened to him. Maybe he got hit by the train, or there's really no cars up here. So I'm not sure, but we'll put him out of his misery so that he's not suffering anymore. He's really thin, and I don't know how long he's been this way. But anyway, this is a testament to the survivability of this species. They've been on Earth for a very, very, very long time and haven't changed much according to what I've read. But they're kind of neat. Look at this, look at his teeth. They have very sharp teeth. Oh, and oddly, this is one species that is very unlikely to get rabies. I think that's kind of interesting, and it had something to do with them being so ancient, maybe, but they're very unlikely to have the rabies virus.
Oh, hissing.
Yeah. They're actually not an aggressive animal, really. They generally, he played possum, that's how I just picked him up. He's sick because he's not doing well. But we'll put him down, which is sad, but I think it's better for him in the long run because this has got to be incredibly painful. So, anyway.